Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Shane Wineinger, the Global Training Director for Wineinger Technologies. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to properly use depth measurement. Depth is one of the most misunderstood measurements, next to length, which I've made a video for previously that you can find in our YouTube playlist called Borescope Training for Remote Visual Inspection RVI playlist. Depth measurement is ideal for pits, dents, deformation, and wear conditions. Understanding depth measurement fundamentals ensures accurate, repeatable results in the field or on the shop floor. But truly the most important fundamental you'll find in all of these videos is, check your point cloud. Depth measurement measures the distance from a mathematically zero reference plane defined by 3 points to a fourth point, above or below that plane. So another word for depth could also be point to plane, if that makes more sense to you. This tool is used for blade tip to shroud gaps, pits and dents from corrosion, erosion, or FOD, pipe inside diameter, weld height, stator vein rock, and gap width. There are automated measurements like blade tip clearance that do the blade tip to shroud gaps for you automatically, which we can cover in a separate video. How depth works. Depth creates a reference plane using the first 3 cursors. The 4th cursor measures perpendicular distance from that plane. With surface mask enabled, green shows the points close to the reference plane. Light blue shows points to the same distance at the measurement result. Red gradient highlights regions deeper than the measurement point. Preparation. Make sure that your tip and camera are clean, and move the measurement tip as close as possible to the indication. Position the 3 reference plane cursors to maximize green surface mask coverage. For recessed features, use the color gradient to ensure the 4th cursor is on the true deepest point. For flat surfaces, maximize the amount of light blue on the reference surface. Cursor placement. Place the first 3 cursors on valid 3D data. Avoid red masked areas. Use a point cloud view to verify the reference plane. The plane appears as a blue square. Confirm it accurately aligned with the reference surface. After placing the 3rd cursor, Depth Assist may automatically place the 4th cursor at the deepest point, highest point, or on a blade edge. Enable Depth Map mode to visualize contours and confirm the true measurement point stands out from the data noise. The measurement line should end near or within the triangle formed by the reference plane cursors. If the measurement point is far outside the triangle, increase the triangle size, but only on flat surfaces. Here are some tips for troubleshooting. If your accuracy is poor, move the tip closer. Reduce the yellow mask regions, or reposition to reduce reflections. If the reference plane looks tilted, reposition the reference cursors and maximize green surface mask coverage. If a cursor turns red, it is improperly placed. Move it onto the correct surface. If noise is present in the 3D data, move closer or reduce reflective angles. Here's some best practices when doing 3D PM measurements. Keep the probe as close as possible and try and maximize your green and blue surface areas. Confirm plane alignment in the 3D point cloud by checking the blue square. Use Depth Assist, but always verify placement. Use Depth Map mode to confirm high or low points stand cleanly above the noise. Avoid measuring in red regions with missing 3D data. So in closing, depth measurement is highly accurate when setup is correct. You can also call this point to plane. You can have a positive measurement, or you can have a negative measurement. By placing cursors properly, using surface mask guidance, and verifying alignment in the 3D point cloud, you ensure reliable and repeatable results for depth-critical indications. If there's any other measurement types or borescope practices you'd like to see, leave a comment in the comment section. And a big thanks to James Withy for suggesting this topic and coining the phrase point to plane for better comprehension of the subject. Thanks for watching, and I greatly appreciate you trusting in Wineinger Technologies.